Okay, I'm doing it.
Go plunge! Freezing.
Been a bit of a pussy the whole day, so just gotta do it now. Just gotta do it.
Oh God. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Oh my God, that's cold. I can't. My chest hurts.
Why does that?
My chest hurts. My chest hurts so much.
Say that again?
Huh?
Say that again?
I feel better now.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. It's never really that bad. Like
We haven't done it
it's always worse before you do it. After you do it, it feels great.
My chest really hurts.
My skin is tingling, but it feels nice. Take that off the list. Felt this amazing relief, to be quite honest. Been feeling pretty good.
Now?
Been feeling pretty good for the cold plunge.
Oh yeah, I am, yeah.
S is just sewing up some covers for the RV.
Pretty tired staring at this.
Stitching for an hour.
Yeah, hand stitching.
Yeah, you got a lot to do. Well, nothing else to do out here, is there? Alright, so what happened? We were just sitting here hanging out. It's about 7 p.m. and we lost all our power. Apparently the battery died. I have two. Oh, look at my mustache shadows. How's that? That's cool. Ooh, look at that. You know, that's pretty cool. Yeah, so we have two. What do I have? I have two battery monitors. One's like a Bluetooth on my phone, and one's an actual battery shunt connected to the battery. I've just been following the one off the phone, so one of them's obviously incorrect. I thought I had like 60%, but actually I've got nothing. So it's a little too late to run the engine to charge the battery. I ran it for a little bit, but it's pretty noisy, the engine, and the campers are pretty close by. So tomorrow we're just going to go for a nice long drive and give her a good charge. Maybe like 5 hours or something it'll take to fully charge it from. Yeah, it's a long.
Go for 5-hour drive.
Maybe, but that combined with the solar as well will probably boost us up. I want to charge her up to 100% so that we're good.
Got one dog here.
So tonight's going to be a cold one because there's no heater.
No, I have heaters.
But we have the dogs. So.
Look, I've got one dog here and one dog here.
Yep. There's no heater.
Making fun of the dogs.
So we took the dogs to the dog park. They are very happy. They haven't seen other dogs in like a month, so they got a bit crazy. And we're heading towards Hoover Dam. So Hoover. It's a nice long drive. Like I said, we need to charge the batteries up. So the solar's actually charging right now, and then a good couple hour drive from the engine and the alternator will hopefully fill the battery up enough so it's not low voltage anymore and we don't get a blackout again, because that was
Oh, we can go and take it.
oh yeah, we can do change the bin, get some supplies again. It should be good. Let's go see the Hoover Dam. But first, Walmart.
I'm addicted to milk. I've drank. Oops.
She wants me to tell you that we're at Walmart again because we need more milk because I'm addicted to milk. And it's been 2 days and I've drank 2 liters.
Yep. Hey Ryan, are you stronger than yesterday?
Yeah, always. Great Walmart music. And I've lost Esther again. Andy. Okay.
What? Oh, good milk.
Grass-fed, man.
Nice.
Head southeast on Historic Route 66.
Try to stab it.
Waylon Wayland? Looks like Waylon.
Alright, I'm tired. Just pulled up at a rest stop. The roads out here are
Wow, that's pretty.
not that good. It's not that good. Yeah, it is really pretty. It's the you can see the Colorado River. We're close to Hoover Dam.
Oh, that's beautiful. Shiny.
Yeah, driving this old girl. Oh man, it's like an assault to the senses. That's what it is. It's noisy. It's bumpy. Everything's loose, like the steering's all loose, so you just kind of like, the roads are bad, like it's really heavy. It's like a sailboat, like every time a truck's going by, and that's like every 2 seconds on the interstate. It's just blowing us around, and I'm just trying to steer this thing, and it can't keep up with the speeds, like it's too slow for the interstate speeds. Pretty crazy, so I'm pretty tired. Especially after spending a month doing nothing. Driving down the interstate and this old girl is it's a lot. I remember when we left Vancouver, because I was so busy with everything, like busy packing up our house and everything and
You were go,
fixing
go.
stuff, go. So when we were driving, I didn't want to stop, I just wanted to keep driving, like I didn't know how to
Speedy
stop.
Gonzalez.
But now it's been a month, I don't want to go, I just want to stay still. I want to go back to Quartzsite. It was so peaceful there. But we might go back soon. For now, a couple of days of this, and then I think I'll have had enough, and I'll be ready to stay still again. There's the old Colorado River again down there. And the weather's not the greatest today. I think we're going to camp up the road somewhere. Quick pee. Pretty intense entrance. The rangers came into the RV, they searched everything. They wanted me to get up on the roof and search the boxes, looking for guns and contraband.
And drugs.
Drugs, yeah, which we don't do drugs or have guns. We're straight edge. So they let us in. No comfort animals. Hello, comfort animals. Where's my comfort babies? Hello. 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 Comfort animals. Don't jump out. You're not allowed here. No. We have a guilty dog over here who ate my jerky.
Yep, and she hid it really well too.
Damn it.
If I didn't smell it on her breath, I wouldn't have known. Look at her.
No dinner for Milo tonight. So guilty.
She's put herself into timeout. Where's Milo? Guilty. Hiding.
There you go. Camp here for the night. Someone there. Riding his bike. Hoover Dam is just over there, behind there. So we'll spend the night there.
Hi. Top chef.
Alright, as you can see we have power again, so the batteries are charged up nice. Just gonna call it a night. Esther heated up some leftovers that we had, now she's making some dessert. And there's a new chopper video on YouTube, Phil Doolan, so yeah, he's got a new episode, so I'm gonna go chill out and watch that. So tomorrow, Las Vegas. Thanks for watching, goodbye.